Traffic na.
Eh, papunta kami sa LRT. Yeah, it's a paid video. It's his first time here in Manila.
It's his first time.
Yeah. Next, so we're going to the LRT station. This is PTX, guys.
You're so tall.
How height is it?
Yeah, what is your height?
184, 185.
It's like
yeah.
or
It's
6
feet.
Yeah.
Like 6'1", 6'2".
6 foot siya.
My height is 5'3". You? 4 flat?
4'11".
Talk about your... Ano daw?
Sorry, go.
Pupunta na kami sa PTX, guys. Dito sa 3rd floor.
I've seen some people, one person in America, and like, not as much as I'm taller than you, but like, I was up to his shoulder. He was like, must be 7 foot something.
So we're here na. Nandito na kami sa LRT station. We buy tickets here. The tickets here is ITSA. We're going to ITSA. 25 pesos. We're here now. ITSA station. It's 25 pesos. Kaya nga, ako na. Punta kami ITSA, guys. And this ticket is going to insert this at the station, at the arriving area. This is World's Asia Station. So we're getting inside. Go. Patutunguhan. Patutunguhan means ano? Destination.
Mia Road Station. Ang susunod na istasyon.
Yeah. Started. Yeah. Any It's your first time to ride this?
First time.
Just be careful.
all of ano.
But just be careful. Just don't mind us because already
We try to say, yeah. Bayad po. It's okay, that's correct. That's right.
Pwede na yun. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Malamig po.
You always say po when you're ano. Diyan mo siya si diyan mo siya. Dahil taga-abot siya ng ano.
Siya na yung taga.
So you know this place already? You know this place already? Are you familiar? You're familiar with this place? Here, we're going to your place.
Really?